are the Lansing Area Nurse Honor Guard, and we are here today to present the Nurses Honor Guard for Regina Croupiers. If there are any nurses present and you're able to stand, please stand. The Nightingale Tribute. Nursing is a calling, a lifestyle, a way of living. Nurses here today honor Croup, Regina Croupiers, and her life as a nurse. Croup is not remembered by her years as a nurse, but by the difference she made during those years, by stepping into people's lives, by special moments.
Croup was there.
When a calming, quiet presence was all that was needed,
Croup was there.
In the excitement and miracle of birth, or in the mystery and loss of life,
Croup was there.
When a silent glance could uplift a patient, family member, or friend,
Croup was there.
At those times when the unexplainable needed to be explained,
Croup was there.
When the situation demanded a swift foot and a sharp mind,
Croup was there.
When a gentle touch, a firm push, or an encouraging word was needed,
Croup was there.
In choosing the best one from a family's thank you box of chocolates,
Croup was there.
To witness humanity, its beauty, in good times and bad, without judgment,
Croup was there.
To embrace the woes of the world willingly and offer hope,
Croup was there.
And now that it is time to be at the greater one's side,
Croup is there.
Croup, we honor you this day and give you a white rose to symbolize our honor and appreciation for being our colleague. Regina Croupiers, please report for duty. Regina Croupiers, please report for duty. Regina Croupiers, please report for duty. Regina, we officially release you of your nursing duties.